But first of all, toasting the parents of Sam. For the nurturing and the support and the genetics. I don't know if I can claim anything here. And to Hannah, who's kept him in line.
Yeah.
It sounds like to his friends who've also kept him in line. To such a great man, Sam. Great heart, great mind. Nelson Mandela, I read this quote, said that a good mind and a good heart are a combination that are always going to be formidable. So when you have a great mind and a great heart, look out. So also you have, beside the brains in your head, you've got feet in your shoes, and you can go anywhere you're going to choose.